Hey guys, what's up? Today's video is about Snapseed app. It is a free editing app and we often use it. I just thought of making a video tutorial on what tools we can frequently use to edit our photos in this app. Now the main question, why do we need to edit a photo? We need to edit a photo because the way our eyes perceive an image and the way a camera sensor records a picture has its differences. In digital photography, clicking a photo is 40% and editing and framing the photo in the proper manner is 60%, or we can just get more creative. So let's move to the main app interface. So you can see a lot of presets available here, but I am not going to use them in this photo. We will go over them in the different video. So in the tools option, let's go to tune image. Let's talk about brightness. Brightness refers to the overall lightness or darkness of the image. Now if we decrease the amount to -100, then the photo gets darker, and increase the amount to +100, then the photo gets illuminated. For this image, I will keep the amount of the brightness to +10. Next tool is contrast. Contrast is the difference between light and a dark image. As you decrease the amount of contrast, the image starts looking faded, while you increase the amount of the contrast, the image starts looking more dramatic. So we are going to add a little bit of the contrast to the image. Let's move to third tool, that is saturation. Saturation is the intensity or the richness of the color. So as we increase the amount of the saturation, the yellowish shade of the image increases, while if we decrease the amount of the saturation, the image turns to black and white image. For this image, I will keep the amount of saturation to +55. Next tool is ambience. Now let me show you what actually this tool does. This is -100 and this is +100. As you go on increasing the amount of the image, it starts looking more dramatic, and that's what we want. So keeping in mind that the image should not look over edited, so I will add a bit amount. Next is highlight tool. Highlight is the part of the image where the amount of the light is overexposed. So I will keep the highlights amount to -11. Next tool is shadows. As we decrease the amount of the shadows, it darkens the shadows available in the photo, and as we increase the shadows, it adds up the shadows in the photo. So I will keep the amount of the shadows to -15. Next tool is the warmth tool. This tool adds up the amount of the yellowish shade if moved to the positive side, while it increases the amount of the bluish shade if we move to the negative side. So I will keep it to +15. So now let's add tone curve tool. We can see the various presets of curves available. So let's select one of them, that is soft contrast. And the best part is that we can readjust the curves. Now I am increasing the amount of the highlights and decreasing the amount of the shadows and keeping the midtones to neutral. Okay, that's it. Let's crop the image and bring the main focus of the photo. Now it looks fine. So let's adjust the perspective of the image by perspective tool and rotate the image a bit. So now let's add lens blur tool. From the name you get to know that this tool is used to blur the part that we want. Now you can see the difference, but I'm not going to apply it. I just wanted to explain and show you the effect of this tool. At last, let's add the vignette tool. Keep in mind, every time you add this tool, add at the end. And this tool darkens the corner of the photo. Now done with editing. Now let's check before and after image. So you can see the difference between original photo and edited photo. That's it guys for this video. We will be explaining more tools in the next video, so stay tuned. Well, you can check my Instagram. Tag me in your photo, I will take a look at your photo. If you have any doubt or you want me to explain any specific tool in detail, then comment down below. Thank you.